Hi there! So today we are going to be talking about something that probably you have come to terms with, and it's when you're feeling extremely tired, sluggish. Does that sound familiar to you? Well, today we are going to be talking about how you can boost your energy and feel great again. Hi, my name is Stephanie from GreeNatr, where we aim for a new and healthier you. So when it comes to energy, it's really different for everybody. And obviously there's lots of different factors that attribute to your level of maybe like energy, memory, focus, and your overall health and how you feel. Things like family, work-related issues, general health concerns as well. All of those are involved in how great you feel or how much energy you have. So the first thing that is really important is to kind of like pause, reflect, kind of analyze what's going on, what's attributing to you not feeling the energy that you want to feel or that you should be feeling. So of course, we're here to help you figure that out too. Now, did you know that the National Sleep Foundation actually conducted a study in 2020 and the results were super alarming? In fact, only 16% were the ones that reported that they didn't have any sleep issues or like energy issues during their regular week. And a whopping 58% actually reported that they had kind of feelings of feeling fatigued or lack of energy 3 to 7 times in a regular week. So that just tells us like how unbelievable this is and how it affects our society as well. And also something else to take into consideration is that the issue with this, really the overall issue with this, is that if you have lack of energy, if you're constantly tired, you're not going to be able to reach your full potential. It's always going to be a limitation for you to be able to reach your goals. So we obviously don't want that to happen in your life, and we're going to talk about some great ways that you can boost your energy and kind of take control again. So probably you're asking yourself, well, what can I actually do about this? Now, I'm going to tell you something first. In 2019, there was a poll conducted, and we actually found in that poll that American citizens are the ones that have like more stress. Basically, the most stressed out citizens are American citizens. So you can see how it really affects us as a community, as a society. So there's lots of ways though that you can help out yourself in being able to kind of get to the nitty-gritty and understand what's going on with you. And one of the great ways that you can do that is by journaling. And the way that journaling kind of works, it helps you to kind of think, to analyze, to really become in tune with yourself and be able to come with solutions to help you overcome whatever is going on in your life that's causing that stressors, which are actually contributing to your lack of energy. But also really important is to be able to do these things at your own pace. So the best way to do it is tackling them one day at a time. Another great thing that you can do is to boost your energy levels is lifestyle change. And the first thing I'm going to say about that is move. And the reason why I say it 3 times is because exercise and movement is going to pump up your blood, and it's going to release those amazing feel-good hormones called endorphins, which is a natural thing that your body does. And although you may feel like you're tired and you can't exercise, it actually does kind of the opposite effect. The more you exercise, the more energized you feel. So really important there too. The other thing kind of goes hand in hand with what I talked about before, which is journaling, and it's also meditating. That helps to kind of assess your goals, help you to focus, concentrate. So it's great to be able to do daily meditation too. And the last thing is diet. Really important. Things like lean proteins, whole grains, as much organic foods as you can, and definitely unprocessed foods. All of those 3 things that we talked about, exercise, meditation, and healthy lifestyle choices in regards to food, make a huge difference in how you're gonna able to feel much more energized too. Now, number 3 in our list is going to be getting rid of vices. And what do I mean by that? Things like alcohol, caffeine, cigarettes, so like nicotine. All of those things actually, although they offer a temporary relief of stress, they actually create more stress into your body, and they actually contribute to unhealthy lifestyle, which is going to be the opposite of what you want, which is going to cause you more lack of stress and more lack of energy as well. Although I do understand it's something that we have to take, again, as I mentioned before, at your own pace, and slowly but surely get rid of those vices. It's going to be key to helping you succeed in having more energy too. Number 4 in our list is going to be doing things in a natural way. So for example, if you feel like you have a lot of you can't actually consolidate your sleep, you really struggle going to sleep, then you might want to try things like natural remedies, melatonin gummies or melatonin tablets. It's very, very natural and it makes a huge difference for a lot of people. So it's great for that. Or you might want to try like herbal teas that contain chamomile, lavender, lemon balm, things like that to help you relax at night and be able to drift off to sleep quicker as well. Now, if you have the opposite problem where maybe you sleep enough, but you wake up still tired and fatigued, then you might want to try something like our natural GreeNatr premium panaxginseng and ginkgobiloba. It's actually a very, very rare formula, but it's been used for thousands of years and it's helped so many people to be able to combat things like stress, issues with memory, with focus, with anxiety, and of course, lack of energy. It really helps to boost up your energy again, so you have steady energy throughout your day. It's really important though that you make sure that you consult with your healthcare provider to make sure that it's the right choice of natural supplement for you and it fits with whatever other health routine you may have already. I also want to remind you to check out our GreeNatr shop. Remember, GreeNatr is sourced from only the best offered by Mother Nature, and you can check us out at www.greenatr.com. Now, before we close, I also want to remind you that energy is non-linear. Some days you might have days where you are boosting with energy and you feel so amazing, and there's other days where you just kind of feel down and a little bit fatigued and you don't quite know where you're going, and that's normal. That's part of being human nature for us. But there are lots of natural ways that you can achieve more steady energy and be able to reach your goals, getting rid of that stress that we mentioned, anxiety and things like that, and be able to have less limitations in regards to your lack of energy and fatigue. The other thing too is remember, as humans, we need to kind of de-stress and kind of reset. So it's really important to do those things that I talked about, like the journaling, the meditation. That kind of helps you to reassess what's going on in your life, anything that may be causing like limitations. And it's something that you do kind of for your mind and your soul. And it makes a huge difference in how your day-to-day goes, and it's able to kind of flow smoother as well. And like I said, remember, natural remedies make a huge difference in how you're able to recuperate your natural energy that your body is able to provide for you. So remember, you are able to, and it is possible for you to be able to boost your energy, and it is definitely achievable. You just have to do some little tweaks to whatever you're doing in your day-to-day routine and lifestyle. And before you go, I hope that you like this video. Remember that you give us a like, you subscribe to our channel, and put the notification bell as well so that you can get more health tips and tricks from our GreeNatr channel. Don't forget to follow us on our social media. You can get more info in the description box below. And if there's any questions or concerns or anything maybe that you want us to go over in regards to health or supplements, anything like that, please be sure to let us know in the comments below so that we can address it in the next video. So till then, see you later. Bye-bye.